Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get new Black Spotty Egg in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Black Spotty Egg looks like, and I'm waiting for the egg to hatch. And then I'm going to show you guys where you can unlock this egg. So you can unlock this egg by crafting right here. Go to the cosmetic or crafting shop and you're going to click on select the recipe here. Scroll down and you will find the recipe for Black Spotty Egg. And these are the items that you need. You need rare egg, octobloom seed, zebra zingle seed, and also crimson thorn seed, and shekels. Oh my god, it's so expensive. And you need Transcendency guys, which are really hard to get. And from this Black Spotty Egg you will get Black Spotty Dragon, 100% chance. So you will automatically get this Black Spotty Dragon from hatching this egg. I've already crafted and I'm waiting for the egg to hatch. Okay guys, and that's all about the Black Spotty Egg in Garden Bizzy Bee update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!